Welcome to the 28th video in the Foundations of Communist Organizing series. Today we'll be going over the 1922 piece by the Third Communist International's 4th Congress, Bordiga, Communist Party of Italy Report on Fascism, which I subtitled Fascism Represents Heightened Bourgeois Class Consciousness. In this text, in terms of talking about worker organization, Bordiga makes the case that fascism arises from the failure of the Communist Party to bring the very strata of the working class into a unified political struggle, allowing the bourgeoisie to do so instead, while taking parts of the pay bourgeoisie, military, and so on into a reactionary mass, which suppresses all partial interests of the bourgeoisie, so as to support one shared long-term interest, the maintaining of private property. Bordiga advises not to let the proletariat spin their wheels in fruitless defensive economic struggles, which demoralize them, or allow cracks to be in place between the agricultural and industrial workers, which allows the bourgeoisie to drive a wedge in the communist movement. Beyond that, he discusses in depth the character of fascism, its relation with liberalism, and anticipates fascism becoming liberalized, while also drawing a line between social democracy and fascism in terms of their goals, activities, and eclecticist opportunism. And that is my summary of Bordiga's report on fascism from the Communist Party of Italy. As usual, if you want to go over the quotations I derived this summary from, you can find it in the description below, and you'll also find a link to the United Marxist Pact Discord server. If you'd like to discuss this or any other text, then we would love to have you. With that said, tomorrow we will be going over the 1923 piece by Leon Trotsky, a bit of a divergence from normal. This wasn't on the original reading list. The new course. I wanted to get more information about bureaucracy, and this was suggested to me, and it was quite good. So, thank you for joining me for today's topical summary, and I hope to see you tomorrow.